demonstrating here is Smart Interaction. Smart Interaction consists of 3 parts. Smart Interaction is going to be available on the 7500 and the 8000 LED as well as the 8000 plasma. Right now we are looking at the 8000 LED. Smart Interaction is 3 parts: voice control, motion control, and face recognition. Voice control works by using a trigger word. Once I say the trigger word, the command box will appear on the bottom. It will stay there for 30 seconds, waiting for more commands. If at any point I whisper, it's just to tell you guys what I'm doing so the TV doesn't try to listen for more commands because the command box will be open. Okay? So let's go ahead and say, "Hi TV." Did you notice that it wasn't you? Now it goes into channel up. Channel number. Channel 3. Cancel. Volume down. More. Do you see that the other features I can use by saying up there? Notice there's a couple applications. Smart Hub. Do you see the hand at the bottom? It's telling me that motion control is going to be the best thing for me to use to navigate. So all I did was tap my hand from side to side so that the camera right there in the middle can detect my hand, and the mics are on either side. You can adjust the camera once you place the TV in your room. You can always turn the camera back to the wall if you prefer privacy. At the bottom you can see where it says run, back, and scroll. Those are different things I can use at this moment. Let's go ahead and run by going over to the web browser and closing my hand. Now I'm going to put my hand down and wait for the wireless Wi-Fi to load this website. Obviously we're in a concrete building. And I'm going to wait for the advertisement to load. I'm going to put my hand back up, and now we're going to see gesture cursor. Do you see the gesture cursor where I can click right here, or I can click while I'm this way too? It's just easier to navigate to click on something. Yes, you can still use the entire menu bar that's on the top, and yes, you can click on a website. By what happens is a menu comes up and it's a full keyboard. I'm going to go ahead and hit exit. I'm going to put my hand back up. The TV is not going to record my hand, it's just going to look for the palm of my hand, so if someone else had their hand up, it would just stop working. Same thing with the voice, it's not going to memorize your voice, it's just looking for a clear voice with commands. Let's go ahead and hit login. So I'm going to put my hand down because face recognition is going to start. Face recognition is so that it can recognize your Smart Hub ID. So right now it's probably going to take my picture, maybe 4 of us, and see, it'll realize that we are all new users, and we can go ahead and set up our user ID. You would set up your own user ID in Smart Hub because that way when I log in, it's my Netflix and my Blockbuster. On Facebook, when someone else logs in, it's their Netflix and their Facebook. I'm going to go ahead and activate again just by waving across. Let's go ahead and hit return. I'm going to go ahead and hit return again. My hand is still up, so I can change the volume or click and hold and turn away. So I'm going to put my hand down, and because 90% of all TVs in the United States use some type of a set-top box, it's going to come with this wireless IR blaster. That way we can change the channel, and it's going to work with your Samsung Blu-ray player in your home theater. Voice recognition is going to work in 23 different languages, 1 language at a time, 3 English, US, UK, and Australian. Think of different places where you would use this Smart Interaction. Remember, these are features you can turn on or off. You can have one on, one off, or all of them on, all of them off. So an example can be, can't find the remote, but I'm on the phone, so I'm going to use my hand to change the channel. Or another one can be, I'm already snuggled into bed, and I don't want to get up to look for the remote, so I can just say, "Hi TV, TV power off." So now I have other commands. Cancel. Hi TV. So if I can turn it off, yes, I can turn it on. Let's just say I've named my TV Max. I can always walk into the room, and if I've got grocery stuff in my hands, I can't find the remote, I can just walk in and say, "Hi Max," and the TV will turn on. Okay, thank you folks. We exit right here to our left.